You said you pulled out, but you were not fast enough. Well, I'm pregnant. Why are you looking at him? I said I'm pregnant.
Well, this is great news.
I don't understand. Great news, how?
I'm happy you're pregnant.
Do I look ready to you? Please, I came to show you this thing because I want to take it out.
No, you're not doing that.
You must be joking. I want to take it out. And doctor told me 50K. So that's it. Period.
Okay, you're not ready. I am. Please, you're not taking it out. Huh?
It's like you did not hear me the first time. I said I want to take it out. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I can't be doing this now. And you look at me finish. You want me to be taking care of a child at this age? Are you for real?
Yes, I'm for real. Also, I would like us to confirm something that we should go for a scan, huh?
You want?
Don't you think? To confirm and know how.
It's not about scan. Baby, it's not about scan. I said I am pregnant. Oh, don't you believe me again? I'm pregnant. And the doctor said 50K. It's just something that you just transfer the money to me. And before you know it, 2 days, I'm done. Like, me, personally, like I said, mentally, I'm not ready for all this babies crying. Oh, I'm not ready. It's just 50,000 naira and this thing is out. And 2 of us will be happy. That's all.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
Thank you.
But I still insist we go for the scan, just to confirm everything for you.
Alright, it's fine. But we'll go to my own doctor, and you're still going to transfer the money to me. Is that okay?
Okay, when I confirm, I will. I will.
I don't know. We'll go. Baby, I was telling you, I will just go and do this thing by myself. You know how all these things should be like. What are you doing here?
What am I doing here? I'm trying to reach you on your phone, but it's not going.
Oh, I think my SIM. No, not my SIM. My.
And also transfer is not going, so I have to come in to give you in cash. Bro, sorry. Good afternoon.
Okay, the transfer for that business,
You say?
The business now, the business I told you. Baby, don't mind the business. My old time secondary school friend. Like,
what are you talking about now? Bro, sorry. You know a guy. I'm not
baby, let me tell you.
Who is
this
baby
guy.
Now? Take your 50,000 for the abortion and don't call me again. Don't call me. It's one time thing. This is 50,000 for the abortion. Please don't call me again.
Baby,
Take
it's for business.
What are you pregnant for?
I'm not. No, the pregnancy is talking about. It's not pregnancy. It's for a business.
Which business now? Isn't it that call me? You're shouting on me, shouting on phone that if I don't come and
me call you. Oh, was it not you that was surprised to see it? So how did I call you now? How did I call you? Did I know you before?
Bros, Professor, now guy you be. Me and she we do something to her side. So she can't come and say she get belle, say she need 50,000 for abortion. I don't get. I go borrow now. I'm going to give her.
See, the thing is, I've not been in touch with him. I've not been in touch.
Wait, just hold on. You've not been in touch with him, but how did you know you were pregnant? And also, we just left the house now. We are going to the hospital. You also asked me for 50,000 naira. What's going on here?
Baby, it's yours. Okay, fine. I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. It's for you. It's for you.
So you don't get belle? You don't get belle? You can't make me go borrow money. Won't keep my bros. Thank you.
Don't touch me.
In your progress. Baby, it's lying.
Delete my number. Avoid me. If I'm coming this way, move that way.
Baby, no, it's not like that. Just like that.
God have mercy.
He's lying now. Hey, can you imagine? When I was about to catch out like this guy just kept. Wow.